myself Manas Rajesh Kaur, a student of VIVA Institute of Technology. I admitted here in the year 2022, and right now I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, and I am in final year. And I want to share my experience about VIVA Institute of Technology from these past 3 years. So, talking about academic excellence, the faculties here are very supportive and incredibly knowledgeable. They go beyond teaching from just textbooks and helps us to gain real-time knowledge and application in engineering concepts. Right now I am doing my final year project on blind spot detection using thermal image processing on heavy vehicles. So my project guide has helped me really very much in coding. I won second prize in NCRE project competition, which was held in VIVA Institute of Technology. And apart from academics, college has provided us many extracurricular activities by managing workshops, technical workshops, hackathons and tech chase competitions and project competition. It's very honorable to have taken admission in VIVA Institute of Technology, and I would like to thank all my faculties, and I would like to thank Department of Electrical Engineering for giving me such opportunities and increase my engineering